Am I back? Am I back? I should be back. Okay, that was... Thank you. That was horrendous. The whole OBS crashed, and the whole mixer software that I have went to hell, and it destroyed my ears. It destroyed my ears. Now, I have to see at what time it crashed, because I think it's crashing at the same time. I think there is a limit as to how much you can stream with a free version, probably. If it's around 4.5 hours, I think there is a limit. I think that's the limit. And then I'll figure out if I want to pay for it or what do I want to do. But my ears, man, they're destroyed. I was doing something. I was just testing. That's what I was doing. I was testing. The stream went nuts. Okay. Yeah, I'll check the VOD, see what happened, and I'll see what the cause of that is. It's probably stream IO. It could also be that YouTube is stopping, because I think also YouTube has a limit as to how long you can stream. Maybe I went over the limit and then YouTube stopped, and then Restream IO didn't know what to do, and it just went nuts everywhere. Okay. Yeah, that's better. So I will just do... This is not good. I'm just doing a quick stab at this. Just because. Only if we stay. Yeah. Okay, now for sure, just the last thing. See how it's really hard to stop programming once you start doing it. Even though what I just added is gonna be removed. It's not part of the actual algorithm. Come on, come on! I just want to test this. I want to test, and then send it. Oh, by the way, if it looks like it's missing frames, it's on Chrome. So when you're seeing the game playing, that may be missing frames because it doesn't capture as nicely as a game when it's a browser. The game might be choppy, but the video shouldn't be choppy. So like my video shouldn't be choppy, but the game might be choppy. Okay. Send it. Yeah, I don't care about the trees. I only if there's no seats. And hopefully I don't lose mic. Something that happened also is after I crashed, I lose mic. My mic wasn't doing anything. But no, I can see the levels. Okay, this is even better. This is even better. I don't know why I keep optimizing the dumb algorithm. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Yeah, now it's doing what it's supposed to do, even if it's not the most effective. One more. And then I'll send this one. Yeah. Okay. Oh man, am I gonna stop optimizing this code that is going to be deleted? Am I? We'll see. Okay. Oh. Can it? Yes. Not eating a thing will kill you after quite some time. Yes. Yeah. I just this dumb algorithm. This is not like actual search of multiple possibilities. It's just dumb algorithm. I was just making it so it always keeps a chain of trees of each size, and it just keeps it like that. So if there's always points to gain, I mean, if there are no shadows, I'm not considering that. There's always points to gain. There is something to grow, and there is something to harvest if I have enough points. Again, it's super dumb. I just needed something. I just wanted something that it wasn't random. This will not be here in a couple of days. It will be all heuristics. It will be all, you know, logic like that. I'm just glad that my neighbor stuff works. I'm just glad. That was a pain in the butt. And that will make it so much faster. So much faster. Ooh. Oh, I kind of like that behavior. Ooh, I like that behavior. Okay. Okay, now for real. This is the one that I'm sending for right now. I just want to see. I just want to see where I end up. Come on, come on. Okay, I was at 2700. Let's see where I end up with this dumb algorithm. Dumb, but without bugs. And just by watching this, also give me an idea of some behaviors that are advantageous and some that are not advantageous. Okay, 2600. Come on, you can do it, you can do it. 2600. Oh, everything's in shadow. Now, Potato God. Good job, Potato God. DVDR. Hey, look at that, 2200. Okay, so even this dumb algorithm without bugs did something better than others. 22%. Well, let's see. Let's see. Still, I can still regress. Hey, my dumb algorithm is not doing so bad. $2,100. Not bad. From 2,700 to 2,100. I would say that's an improvement. Come on. Just looking at my yard. Looking nice. Looking nice. $27%. Oh my god, why is he so slow? Come on, 31%. Jesus. Potato God. Why am I... Wait, what? Why is my bot fighting against Potato God twice? Challenge Sunday. Everyone is coding right now. Yeah, that's true. Look at that, 2,000. Okay, 35%, and I am 2015. And I started at 2,700, so... Am I gonna break 2000? Am I gonna break 2000? Oh no, I went back. You sure will, but maybe not today. Yeah, yeah, it's hovering there. So I think that's gonna be my position right now, just around 2000. I mean, it's 42%, but still. Ooh, excuse me. I'm just curious if I'm gonna break 2000 with a dumb algorithm. This is absolutely not a good. It's just something quick to get stuff going, to get other parts, helpers going. I'm happy to move below 3K today. Yeah, I hope you do. I hope you do. That'll be great. The thing is, I started with 2700, so I do want to see some improvement. I like how my current dumb algorithm, just by itself, it starts gravitating towards the center because it's always looking for the better richness. So it usually ends up being all in the middle, just like that. You see, it found the center and it just keeps going that way. Yeah. 52%, and I'm still hovering over 2000. Hey, Keltha, you are 397. Nice, nice. Soon I'll be there too. Again, this is just a dumb algorithm. I just needed to have a good base so I can build on top, so I can build upon. And I think I have that. So, of course, there's more to build, but now I'm more confident into being able to build other stuff. 55% and still hovering around 2000. Come on, come on. Which kind of algorithm do you plan to use? Genetic algorithm? Yes. Well, no, genetic algorithms at the beginning, not at the beginning. No, I think I'm gonna do some like heuristic search. Yeah, I mean I have a couple of ideas of how to go about it. I'm going to, let's say, follow the steps of what I did in the last challenge, which was kind of, I don't know, some people I think call it beam search. I some sort of seekers that kind of try to find. This is the best way to explain it. This is how I explained it the last time I did it, something like this. There is a space with all multiple moves or solutions, right? So yeah, sure, if you brute force, you can explore the whole problem space and find the best move, right? That takes a lot of time, a lot of memory. You don't have that here. So the last time I implemented a way, some sort of like seekers. So I call them seekers. So these are explorers of the problem space. The idea is not to explore everything in the brute force. Is to, these seekers will independently try to find. They're going to explore different solutions in the time allotted, and then when they run out of time, they're going to converge. They're going to say, okay, there is some decider method, right? That's going to say, okay, it's going to compare all the seekers with everything they have found, and from those it's going to decide which one is the best option to go. So it's all about timing. It's all about timing. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that explains it. It's kind of complicated to explain. But yeah, but that's in my mind the best way to envision is like that. There is a problem space with many avenues, and it's just, imagine just little seekers exploring all over the place, and then at the end, time is up, let's decide what's better. That's what I did with the previous one. It is sort of, so it does evolve a little bit, but it's not genetic algorithm in the sense that there are no genomes. It doesn't mutate. It doesn't do any of that. I do want to do that for the next one, but we were just talking about that before, right? So I do want to introduce neural networks and GA for the next one once I finish my personal project that has 100% to do with neural networks and GA. So I can use some of that. But this is not GA. What I just described is not GA. There's no mutation. There is no population. I mean, having a few is not a population. A population has to be like 100, 1,000. %73%, and I am regressing to 2100. the change during generations is not that genetic. I saw a video recently that uses an ant simulation to find the best path on a traveler-like problem. Interesting. Yeah, it's a classic problem. Traveling salesman. %, and I regress to 2100. Right. It depends on how you frame the problem. It's always like that. You know, you find a creative way to frame the problem, you can make it fit in many different ways of solution, ways of making a solution. Even if things that seem that is not that is, doesn't fit, you can make it happen. Well, I'm tired. I'm so tired. But you may be optimizing a distance if that's how you want to solve it. You know, a distance to the optimal move, a distance to the optimal situation. Come on, finish already. 90%. In this case, I mean, distance could be the distance to harvesting a tree. You know, to completing a tree, I guess, using the terms of the game. The distance to complete a tree, and the distance could include, you know, growing it, getting sun points, and all of that. And you can have all these plans to grow different trees in different ways, and then you optimize the distance. So, I don't know. Again, it depends on how you frame the problem.